No, they both might, the 5 HRs might be the same division or department, but they should be able to see everyone in the department except those other 5 HRs.
No. No. It doesn't work in that fashion, Srini.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then okay, so there is no way that we can restrict that they should not see the colleagues' information.
No. It's not based on like at least the user level. You cannot do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
In another one is like the HR should not see any kind of a, let's say, CEO or executives information in a field level. Like they can see all other information of the executives, but they should not see a certain field level like a salary or social security. Is there any restriction on that point?
No, you cannot do that with the administrative domains, Srini. That is that's the way like fine-tune areas of your security, which are going to be only addressed by your role-based permissions.
Yeah, either in role-based. Can we do that in role-based?
Yeah, role-based you can restrict.
Okay, okay, that's good.
Yeah.
No, I don't mean all the newer versions will be using the role-based, so I'm least concerned on the old ones.
Okay, yeah, that's a disadvantage. That is the reason like they came up with the RBB. Basically, all these things, right? They came up with that.
Yeah, because these are a very typical. I think 90%. This is what they required.
Expect, yeah, exactly, yeah, yep.
Okay, that's good. And another one is, you said that standard reports, the classical and other reports are standard reports, but there is a section on the left bottom, it says as standard reports. When you click that one, typically on the right.
No, usually like even if you click that right, you are going to see all these reports only. Nothing more than that. There is a standard reports bin, right? You are going to see the same reports over there as well. I'll probably like you have access, right? You can just go and click on that. You'll see the same reports there. Yeah. It's like a different way how you can navigate to the standard reports. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Raghu, this is Ray. I'm not able to see all the options like a dashboard too and all when I go to reports. Maybe.
Yeah, you don't have access. That's the reason. Like you are not able to see that. Probably you can just go to your reporting module, administrative privileges. Go to the reporting module, and there grant yourself all the access. Ray. Or otherwise, if you are not able to do that, let me know. I'll do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one more last.
Yeah, Srini, go ahead, Srini.
Yeah, so one more last thing. I know the typical the text, the labels are like a subject, and then those things are mainly in the performance management. I know you mentioned in the text replacement section under the company settings. If I change it over there, it's going to reflect everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Raghu, regarding the permissions, when we go to the, we can select if we want to give for a users or a user group based on division or your direct reportee. You just showed some 2-3 options in that screen. Are those options customizable? Can we add some more options to it, or are those options just standard?
You have to answer that. I addressed that already. See, you have something called as matrix filter, right? If you see in your section data model, your matrix filter is for that.
Yeah, but then you have activated that matrix filter, and that's why we can see those 2-3 options there.
Yes.
So we can add more than that, or it's just those options?
No, you can add more than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Raghu, can you show once how you give permission to admin, the privileges permission with respect to reporting model in instance?
1 second. I don't know like whether I'll be able to navigate to that because my system is hanging, but let me try.
Okay. Tell me the path verbally also.
Go to admin tools, and under admin tools, go to the set user permissions, and under the set user permissions, go to the dashboard reports. You have to search under, once you go to set user permissions, right, go to the administrative privileges, and once you click the administrative privileges, right, go to the dashboards and report option. Search for the user. Basically, once you go to the administrative privileges, you have to search for the user that you are interested, and once you select the user, right, go to the dashboards and reports. there is a hyperlink available over there. It's one of the domain. And once you go there, right, that is where you have to grant the admin privileges to a consultant so that he get the admin access to that particular module. Here you can see, if you see here, I am able to launch it. Go to the admin privileges, and once you are in the admin privileges, right, search for the user. You have to search for the user that you are interested.
Okay.
And then you have to grant for that particular user what are the domains that you are interested in. And one of the domain is reports and dashboards.
Okay.
Yeah, that is how you are going to grant the admin privileges to the module, Shweta.
Oh.
Here, this is what I am talking about. You can see here. Either you can select this radio button or click on that hyperlink dashboard. You will see the couple of other subsections or components inside that particular domain. Yeah.
Yeah, Raghu, I think this is, I set all of the permissions, but
No,
still I
this
don't see that.
that is an admin thing. So you might be lagging these things. Let me show you why you are not seeing, right? Let me show you. This is the place where you are going to do that. Ray, right? Okay, you have these things. Let me go to the dashboard thing.
All right, Raghu, catch
Yeah,
you
Victor.
from right?
Yeah. Bye, Victor. Have a nice
All
weekend.
right, Silas.
Yep.
Have a nice time, bros.
You too. Bye. Victor, not Victor, sorry. Ray, can you log off and log in again now? You should be able to see that.
Raghu, did you get a chance to validate those CSV file which we have sent?
No, not yet, really, guys. But I have a couple of those things pending. I'll do that tonight, guys. I'll probably tonight or tomorrow. I'll do that.
Right. So can we go with the system, and see, like, things are working there or not?
Yeah, you can see that. You don't have any problem with respect to.
The changes what we have made, it should.
No, I have to load that. That's what I'm telling you, right? I have to load that. Then only you will be able to test your changes. Probably like I'll load that tonight and I'll reply to your email, Rumesh. I have the Kavita's pending, yours, and I'll reply one by one. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that. Don't worry, guys, because it's just Friday night, right? I get some time to work on these things.
What did you change now in this dashboard? Because the screen is frozen. I wanted to know why Ray didn't have access in that
No.
dashboard tab.
See, basically, like you have to grant the access. You can see there are dashboard permissions. You have dashboard portlet permissions. You have to go ahead and grant all these permissions to him.
Okay.
Yeah. You have a couple of all these permissions, whether the portlets, some portlets should be visible to the people or not. Spreadsheet. You see, dashboard, list view, spotlight view, report is there. Spreadsheets are here. And your different portlets are here. So it's spread across these things. So you have to go to each and every section here and grant yourself the access.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, even reporting, I think we have 5 options, right? A total like the list view and a spotlight, a classic. I see only 3 of them. We have, I think, 4 or 5.
No. You see here, dashboards, list view report, spotlight view report types, and you see spreadsheet here. And you see classic somewhere else here. It's all like spread across the things. Yeah. It should be somewhere here. Yeah, you will just spreadsheet reports here. So like that,
Okay.
it's all under your admin tools only. Like basically, if you go to your admin tools, right, you will be able to see all those things.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. I'll play around and maybe we'll talk more. You will be
Sure.
showing Sunday the ad hoc how to build a report.
Yes,
right?
yes, yeah, I'll show you that. There are two types of reports again in ad hoc. One is like a single domain and multi-domain. I'll show both of those things and I'll talk about the difference, how to share your ad hoc reports with other users, because you are the owner, the one who is going to create that, right? He is the owner and no one else will be able to see that report. So if you want to share with others, right, I'll show you how to share all those things, what are the different ways to share. All those things we'll talk about that.
But does the process match like, okay, you select a logical view similar to that, you select a data model, something like from where, which tables you will be pulling the data?
They are called as the domains. Yes, we'll do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
So, in the provisioning system,
Yeah, go ahead, Smita.
hello? Yeah, in the provisioning system yesterday when you showed the job schedule thing, and today I was asking, you said there are standard things available apart from reports, right? How do we differentiate if it's a report or it's a standard offered job to schedule?
All your reports are available under the ad hoc reporting options.
Oh, so when I select ad hoc report, only then I can see all the
Yes, the different.
standard reports, is it?
No, it's your standard reports available straight away, right? Your performance, you don't need to export the report because you have the job type available for the standard ones.
Okay. Oh, for standard ones we have jobs, and for the other things we do ad hoc reports, and then when this workforce analytics is activated, it pops up there.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Got it. Okay, Raju. Thank you.
Yep. Okay, guys. Yep. Let me start it
Thank
here.
you. Talk to us.
Yep. Bye, guys. Have a
Raghu,
nice
this
day.
is Shweta. Raghu, just include me also, Raghu, when you start, sessions with the new joinees.
Yeah, sure. I know that, Shweta. Yeah, definitely I'll do that.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
Shweta. Yeah. Bye.
Take care, yeah?
Yep. Okay. Bye.
Thanks, Abu. Bye.
Bye.